Hey guys, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me and requesting your free video. So today we're going to go over just a few tips that you can apply right away, and it's really going to help enhance your online presence as well as getting more organic leads. Because nearly 70% of your organic leads are going to come from this website. It is really critical that your website be properly optimized so you can capture that traffic. All right, so here we are on your website. You've got a good looking website, great logo design. I noticed you have a separate page for each of your major services, which is awesome. That is exactly what you need to have. Each of these pages need to have content. It needs to have original content based around your local buyer intent keywords. And you need to make sure that every single page has its own original content and that you're not going after the same keyword on multiple pages. Because those two things, the duplicated content and going after the same keyword, will get you penalized by Google, which means you will not show up organically when you normally would have. All right, let's keep going. Okay. It's a little bit of content here, but there are no keywords used there. Okay. No keywords there. Okay. So I'm happy that you have this little bit of content. You're doing what you should be. Um, your homepage is supposed to be the strongest page on your website. It should have a summary of each of your services, but it has to be dialed in around your local buyer intent keywords. The keywords people are actively searching in Portland right now for your services. And you do need to have about a 3 repetition of that keyword to even get picked up. Let's see. Servicing customers in Beaverton. Oh, okay. So you have several service areas. So you also need to have service area pages. Each of these cities that have a service, each of these cities that have volume for the keywords for your services means they need to have their own page. That way you can actually be found organically in every one of those cities that you're servicing. Google ranks websites based on appearance. I mean, not based on appearance, based on content. Oh my goodness, sorry about that. Content. Content is key. Google really likes 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage, but focus on your services and those local keywords. So it's going to be really, really important that you go and add to your content here on the homepage and refocus it on those local keywords. And if you're not focused on those keywords on these pages, you'll need to adjust the content there as well. Let's take a look at your top competitor in your area. We have the remodel group. See, they got a click to call number on top, making it super easy for their customers, so that's good. They have separate pages for their major projects and services, so that's good. Um, Portfolio is always helpful. a form. This is very, very important. Okay, so their website is fairly simple. Not a whole lot of content. Um, but you do need to make sure that you have more content than they do. And then support your website with SEO, because without search engine optimization, your website is not going to be found online. If we look here, you have a score of a 3.2 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which means Google does not trust your website. That is 100% based on your backlinks and referring domains. While you do need a lot of these, not all are created equal. You need to make sure you're only going after the authoritative, do follow, high power links. That will help increase your authority, your power, and help you to rank. If we look here, you only have 7 referring domains that are do follows. So that means you only have 7 links out of all of these that are helping your website. You have been indexed for over 50 keywords, but you're only getting 3 people to your website. So it's going to be really, really critical for you to optimize your site so you can start capturing that traffic. If we look at your keywords, you have 1 keyword on the first page of Google. There's 10 spots per page, and it's your brand with location, so that's okay. This one here, while it's your brand, it's also national. So ranking that, you're going to get more traffic from out of your service area than your local service area. So you definitely need to focus on local keywords. You have some really great keywords here. You just need to work on your ranking. There's going to be some great volume there. So definitely have some work to do. If we look at your competitor, they have a great score. They've got a 26 with over 1,000 backlinks, over 500 referring domains, over 600 keywords, and they're getting over 700 people to their website, servicing the same area as you guys. They have 564 do follow referring domains. So in order to beat these guys, you do need to have this SEO working for you. You need to have more than his 564 do follow referring domains in quantity as well as quality. And then the last piece of this is this Google My Business section. Your goal here should be to be in the top 3, because 30% of people search here and don't search anywhere else. So if you are not in this top 3 here, you're leaving money on the table and sending those leads to your competitors. In order to get in the top 3, there are several factors. The most important is going to be citations. That's the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Glassdoor. So it's going to be really critical that you get a lot more of those citations than your competition. Now, when you follow all of these tips I have provided you today, your website has the opportunity to be number 1 across Google for each and every one of your services and service areas. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful and would really love to get your feedback on it. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon.